Alright, so let's try it with an actual example. We take this creature here and we try to decompose it. So I have 1 over x minus 1 times 2x plus 3, and I'm trying to figure out that's equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over 2x plus 3. I'm hoping that there's some solution to a and b that would make this statement true so that I would have unadded the fractions. So we go on to multiply by the least common multiple. That gives you that 1 should be equal to a times 2x plus 3 plus b times the quantity x minus 1. Now if this is to be true, this should be true for just about all x's. It gives you some freedom. If this polynomial is equal to that polynomial, it should be, you can compare the coefficients, or you can take a look at what happens for certain values of x's, such as this. If x is equal to anything, I'm going to pick -1, this statement should still be true. So this will give you 1 is equal to a times 2x plus 3. Well, it would be actually 2 times, not x, but 1 plus 3 plus b times 1 minus 1. This would go to 0. That's why I chose x to be equal to 1, so that I could kill this piece right here. That goes to 0. Let me see. That goes to 0, and now we're back with 1 is equal to a times 5, implying of course that a should be equal to 1/5. Now that was so fun. Let's try it again. What if x was equal to -3/2? This should still be true, so I have that 1 is equal to a times 0 plus b times -3/2 minus 1. So 1 is equal to b times -5/2, or said differently, b is equal to -2/5. So I've managed to take my fraction and do the partial fraction decomposition to where now I've written it as 1 over x minus 1 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 1/5 over x minus 1, that's the a part. I had found a to be 1/5, put it right there, plus b, which is -2/5 all over 2x plus 3. And now look at this. This is the beauty of it. When you integrate, if I integrate this with respect to x, it's the same thing as integrating this with respect to x and integrating this with respect to x. This is hard to integrate. This is a piece of cake. That's the beauty of it. This is hard, this is easy. The decomposition makes it a lot easier. Now I can go ahead and finish it immediately. This would be 1/5 ln of x minus 1, and this would be -2/5 times ln of 2x plus 3, absolute value, and there may be a factor of 1/2 there if I was to do it the use up, okay, because of that too. And that's it. We've solved the integral of this using the famous partial fraction decomposition. This is about the easiest possible case one could have. It gets a little bit more interesting, and we will do a couple of those more interesting examples in just a second.